Well, there she sits, all ready to go. Got the trailer behind it, my buddy's trailer with my buddy's motorcycle in it. Go around here, show you the Beamer and my lady friend Sean's electric bike right there. Let's do a little zoom action here. See if it gets brighter. Got it nicely tied down. Got the, this is not part of the tie down. Let's get that off of there. There. Rear tire tied and front fork tied, soft ties, spare tire down there. Box full of stuff for the trailer, such as a jack, lug nut wrench, stuff like that. So there it sits all tied down. Go around and show you the side. Well tied down very nicely, all the way up to a set of soft ties. So I'm getting ready to close it up. One thing I'm going to do, I'm going to leave here right now. It's still early. I've got another hour or two before I need to leave. So I'm going to go to U-Haul and buy a different hitch for the rig. This one belongs to my buddy, and I'm going to get a 4-inch drop down so that the trailer will sit a little bit more level. It needs to be a little nose high, but a little bit more level. So I'm going to buy a drop hitch from U-Haul and have them install it and see how that works. So here sits the rig all ready to go. Dressed out. Looking good. Sitting there idling and keeping the inside cool. I'll leave here around noon. I think it's around 10 now. First stop Wilcox, about 4 hours away. So, there you go. Well, here's a postscript. I'm back in Phoenix. Made it about 40 miles down the road and the air conditioners failed. Hot. Oh my gosh, it was hot. Poor dogs were going nuts. Called Camping World, told them what was happening. Got no satisfaction because all I could do was talk to young ladies who had no knowledge of anything. And the fellow who handled the repair was not available, and the technician wasn't available, and I said I'd bring it back tomorrow morning. So I turned around and came back to Phoenix. Talking with my good friend Richard across the street, he said, let's look at it ourselves. He's basically a mechanical and electrical and automotive genius. And I'm pretty good with electrics. So we took all the controller circuits apart, found one connector that was not clicked together all the way, reset the thermostat by pulling the fuse and resetting it, made some major changes to the ducting inside, so we're getting more air where we need it, and it's running. The air conditioners are working. I've got the generator running now, and frankly I'm going to let the generator run all night long with the air conditioner running because the coach is hot inside, hot, and it's going to take a long time to cool it down. And then tomorrow I'll hit the road, see how far I get, see if everything continues to work, decide what to do. So, as I often say, the fun just never stops.